Good morning, students. Today we will learn this chapter, use of shall and will. So open your book at page number 85. In the previous chapter we have already learned about the verb shall and will. We know that we have to write shall with the first person and we have to write will with the rest of the person. Now let us start. Observe these sentences. I shall play football tomorrow. We shall meet tomorrow. The manager will welcome the chief guest. They will reach home at night. The verbs in color expresses the future time. So this verb expresses the future time or the future tense. They show that an action is or is not going to take place in the future. Shall and will always use in future tense. Now come to the rules of the sentences. We know nouns and pronouns can be subject and shall and will have to use before the main verb. Okay, so let us read these examples. I shall play. I is the subject, shall is used for the first person and play is the verb. Raj or he, this is the subject. We have to use will because the subject is third person and this is the verb. Okay, and in the question or interrogative sentence we have to write the shall or will before the subject, then write the subject and then write the verb and give the question mark. And in the WH question we have to write the WH word at the first, then write the shall or will, then subject, then the verb and then write the object if there is any. Okay, so these are the examples of these sentences. Now look here, you have to remember that we use shall with the first person, that and we use will with the second person and third person. Okay, and I will is used for the both I shall and I will. Now come to the next page. This is the homework for your exercise. Fill in the blanks with shall or will. So we have to write shall with the first person are I and we. Write will with the rest of the person. Let us start. I hope he will come. So he is the third person. We have to write will here. They think you will help them. You is the second person. So write will here. We think they will do it. They is the third person. Write will here. The sun will rise in the east. Sun is the third person. Write will here. I know you will do it. They say I shall pass. I is the first person. So write shall here. You will go or I shall punish you. The boat is full of water. It will sink. The markets will be closed on Sunday. Will he come to our house on Sunday? Shall we join? So we is the first person. So write shall here. Shall we join a new school next July? Will the insects destroy the crops? If I drop this jug, it will break. We hope you will accept the invitation. Will she help the poor? You will feel better after taking this milk. He will get a surprise if he comes to me now. Shall I consult the doctor tomorrow? In a few years' time, life in Kolkata will be very different. If you walk in this heat, you will fall ill. So student, I have done these answers for you. So do this homework in your book. Hope today's topic is clear. See you in the next class. Bye bye students.